Hi everybody. Okay, so I'm Miss Taylor and we just got done with our first cooking club. And so I told you all that I would post a video of me making the recipe just so you can refer back to this if you want to make it again. You can know how to do that. So today we made crunchy apple roll-ups. So this is the recipe. And super simple. We started off, I'm gonna lower you down here so you can see my plate. We started off talking about knife safety. So we were cutting up our apples and we learned that knives are tools, they're not toys. We wanna keep the tip on the plate or the cutting board at all times. And in your non-cutting hand, you can make a bear claw. And that will stop your fingers from being cut off. So with my bear claw, I'm gonna cut up this apple. And we just want it in bite-sized pieces. Doesn't have to be perfect. So some of these big ones, I'm gonna slice up a little bit smaller. You can pause this video at any time if it's going too fast or if you want to rewind and watch something again. Okay, so there are our apple slices. And then we grabbed our tortilla. And our nut butter, or so I have sun butter here. So it is sunflower seeds. And you can use the same knife to put a dollop on and spread it. However much or however little you want to use. This is your recipe. You get to personalize it. Okay, and then you're gonna drop your apples on. This is the fun part. Well, it's all fun, but this is the assembly part when it really starts to come together. And then this is the cereal. So I have some Rice Krispies here, but you can use any kind of cereal, any kind of granola that you might have at home. You can use any kind of fruit either. Bananas, blueberries, grapes, someone in class used, and they really liked it. Also any kind of nut butter. So really personalize it. Okay, I like a lot of crunch, so I'm gonna put a couple sprinkles on there. Okay. Now, here comes the craft part. We want to roll this up so that we get to eat it. That is so good. I took too big a bite. Hold on. There you have it. Those are your crunchy apple roll-ups. So it seems like y'all really liked this recipe, so I hope you make it again at home. And we have lots more fun recipes in store to try together. So I'll see you again next week, Tuesdays at 4:30. All right, y'all.